Earth feels normal because your brain has stopped questioning it. But if you actually look at it clearly, it stops making sense almost immediately. We've confirmed over 5,000 exoplanets, and the universe likely holds up to 10 to the 24th planets. And out of all of that, Earth is the only confirmed place where stable water, stable atmosphere, and self-aware chemistry exist together. That number is so large it stops meaning anything, and yet somehow, Earth is the only known case where matter organized itself into something that can observe itself. Not in theory, in reality. That alone should feel strange, because we're not talking about life existing. We're talking about a system that became aware it exists. Earth sits in what we call the habitable zone, but that phrase is misleading. Venus is nearby. Mars also is nearby. One became a runaway greenhouse world hot enough to melt metal. The other lost most of its atmosphere and froze into a desert. Same region of space, completely different outcomes. So distance from the sun clearly isn't enough. Earth didn't get one thing right. It stacked systems that had to hold at once. Atmosphere, nitrogen and oxygen in a precise ratio. Pressure, narrow range for liquid water. Magnetic field, shielding from solar radiation. Moon, stabilizing Earth's tilt over long cycles. Not one lucky factor, a full system stack. And what's weird is we call that stable, but it's not passive stability, it's active regulation. Carbon cycles through air, ocean, and rock. Ocean currents redistribute heat globally. Even life itself participates in maintaining balance. Earth is constantly negotiating against collapse states. Mars likely had water, rivers, maybe oceans. Then it changed. Atmosphere thinned. Complexity couldn't hold. Venus likely started Earth-like, then ran into greenhouse cascade that turned into extreme. 3 rocky planets, 3 outcomes, only one stayed in a long-term middle state. And even here, stability is not guaranteed. It is conditional. Small shifts in temperature change ice coverage. Small atmospheric changes affect heat retention. Long orbital cycles reshape climate stability. Everything works inside a narrow operational band. And we don't feel any of it. You don't feel atmospheric pressure keeping your blood stable. You don't feel radiation being deflected. You don't feel the planetary heat engine balancing itself. Your brain filters it out completely. It feels normal because you adapted to it. But zoom out and it's something else entirely. A thin, regulated layer of conditions wrapped around a molten, high-energy planet moving through space at insane speed. And inside that layer, matter became aware it exists. And now it's trying to understand itself.